Hello creative, how are you doing? Welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a selection of an image or any picture using two methods. In this video I will show you how to use a razor tool or quick selection tool. I will show you how to do a faster selection using subject select. Keep watching. Open. Here you will cut your pictures where you found where you saved your picture. And now I'm going to jump from desktop image. I'm going to select this. I'm going to use this. Okay, right now our picture is already in Photoshop. We are going to and you can use it. There is another method that you can use for dropping picture. Drop is where you can go where you save your picture or locate your picture and you click and hold to Photoshop and then drop it. After opening, I'm going to use this kind of selection tool. We can select it with subject select or our quick section. We can select it to press them by W or go to the panel tool and select quick selection, right click and selection and magic wand tool. I will tell you about this tool, and we are going to use a subject select tool. Okay, I'm going to select this model in our subject. I'm going to this model. Can press left click for your mouse and drop down to the end of your picture where you want to select. Automatically our Photoshop is going to do his job. Right now we are selecting our object. We are right select our object. Then we are going to correct where we got a mistake. We can zoom in using Ctrl plus 1, 2. You see the change. 1, 2. Okay. Or using your wire on your mouse by clicking, by scrolling down or up, go up. Here, there you see there is an area that we are not select. Like I'm going to use this quick section tool. This area that isn't in our select. Okay, sorry. Ctrl Z to undo, or can pass to the edit and the undo move section. Okay. Zoom out. Select we are going to add this area that isn't in our section. See, on the left side. Okay. Manage our section. Hold it Alt and right click and drag to the side that you want. And big around or down to the left to minimize it. Okay, sorry, I'm going to use edit and to undo what I've done and hard at, you see. Okay, we are going to add this area, see. Okay, you must be careful for selecting objects. Yeah, I'm going to speed up until I finish this. Okay guys, now our selection is errored. We are going to invert and cut this background by passing in the select panel, invert selection. Right now we are going to remove background and unlock this rock from background. It's going, we can unlock it by pressing that lock or by pressing double click on this layer. You see that it named new layer is number 0. I'm going to press OK to confirm. Now we have selecting, and you cannot use the delete button or backspace to remove the background. Okay, now we rest with our subject only, our model. There are not another background. That I'm going to show you the second method of object select. I'm going to cancel this. Okay, again. Okay, I'm going to use this eraser tool. I'm going to use the eraser tool to select picture, but I will speed up because it will take a while. I'm going to select again. Must be careful to zoom in. You can press by plus button without using another pause. We are trying to use eraser tool. Okay, hold backspace to move where the area that we want to see. Okay, minimize backspace. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, right here. Okay, you must be careful until you done the selection. Okay. Oh, must be careful. Be careful, boy. I'm going to speed up again, and while I'm speeding up, don't forget to subscribe or follow us on our page, Rani. Okay, now our selection is done, is already reached. Okay, we are going to remove again background. You can invert this selection by pressing, hold on. Yeah, there's no mistake again. You can edit this section using art, and you will see the sign of my plus minimize, where you select and drag down. Okay, see that right did that area that we've made a mistake. Again, we hold the ads or option mark. Okay, select, sorry, don't make a mistake. Okay, see here again. Okay. Other side, on the side C. Okay. Yeah. We are going to move this. We are not. Sorry. Okay. And move the backgrounds. We can to remove background. You can invert our selection. You can press Ctrl, Shift, and I. Already we are convert our selection, or you can try to this method, editing. Don't forget anything. Okay, select, invert. You see the shortcut that I've used it. Shift and Ctrl plus I. You see? Okay. Now we are going to remove our background again. Double click on our area. Okay. And remove background. We can remove by pressing our on backspace. Okay, you see that I use a deletion button or backspace. It's the same. Okay, we are going to undo this our section by pressing Ctrl plus D, or select pass on window panel, Photoshop panel, and deselect. Okay, we have already our model without backgrounds. So you see, I'll see you in the next video about how to add a background or picture or another thing. Thanks for watching.